Students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here now the discussion is about van der Waal equation. It's a very important in all objective examination. Here, under all conditions of the temperature and pressure, the gas which obeys all gas laws like Boyle's law, Charles' law, Avogadro's law and Amanton's law, that gas is said to be as an ideal gas. If it obeys that we call ideal gas, the formula is a PV is equal to nRT. P for pressure, V for volume, N is the number of moles, R is a universal gas constant and the T is the temperature. Now for 1 mole of the gas, number of moles become the 1, then the ideal gas equation become PV is equal to RT. This is ideal gas. But this ideal gas equation is proposed on the basis of the kinetic molecular theory of the gases. Here van der Waal made two corrections. Whatever that is pressure which is showing in the ideal gas equation, which is not exactly sure. Here some less quantity of the pressure is that are showing in the ideal gas equation. That's what he made one correction, that is pressure correction. Another is a volume correction. Here the first correction is a pressure correction. According to van der Waal, he said pressure ideal gas equation is a P, but he shows certain additional pressure, that is a P dash. How he was explained is here any vessel is there. According to the kinetic molecular theory, how the gas molecules are exerting pressure is when it is collided on the walls of the container, they exerting pressure. That is a common scenario. Where, for example, if a gas molecule is present under the bulk of a vessel or middle of a vessel, here its adjacent to molecule or neighborhood molecule may attract or may repel. For example, this molecule may attract or this molecule may attract, but the net force acting on this molecule is become zero, because one is this side, another is the opposite side. Here is also a gas molecule may attract or repel, but the net force acting on the molecule when a gas molecule is present in the bulk become what? Zero. Now, when this gaseous molecule is under observation, if it is moving towards this side or toward this side or toward this side, whatever it is, when a molecule is making collision on the walls of the container, that is exhibiting pressure. Let us suppose this molecule is may collided on the walls of the container, as a result it shows pressure. Here this side only one side is its neighborhood molecules may present, which may attract or repel, but here the net force acting on that molecule is not equal to what? Zero. When a molecule is present in the bulk, the net force becomes zero. When a molecule is made collision on the walls of the container, the net force is not equal to zero. Hence, the pressure correction that is shown is a P dash is directly proportional to the concentration of the molecule which is making collision on the walls of the container. Very important one. The number of molecules which is making collision on the walls of the container is nothing but the concentration. Concentration formula, number of moles per volume. One is over. Another pressure is a P dash. Here the concentration is not only depending on the number of molecules collision, it is also depending on the concentration of the molecules its neighborhood. How many molecules which is pulling back or how many molecules exerting the pressure, that is a P dash is also directly proportional to the concentration of the neighborhood molecule. Again the concentration is a N by V. Left hand side is equal. P dash is directly proportional to N square by V square. By removing the proportionality, P dash is equal to A N square by V square is a formula. P dash is equal to A N square by V square. A is a proportionality constant, are also called pressure correction factor, important for objective bit. Now, in ideal gas equation, simply showing pressure as a P is not good. Hence, P plus A N square by V square should be there. Like this, the van der Waal made correction in pressure. Second one, volume correction. How the van der Waal corrected the volume is according to the kinetic molecular theory, the volume of the container itself is considered as a volume of the gas, but here van der Waal made correction in the volume because of the volume of the vessel. For example, this is a vessel. According to the kinetic molecular theory, all the volume is occupied by the gaseous molecule like this. All the molecules gets accommodated. That's what they supposed, that volume of the container itself is considered as a volume of the gas. But what the van der Waal observed is that here in this place, does any gaseous molecules is occupied? No. Here is any molecule is present. Here is any molecule like this. The gaseous molecules are not accommodated entire volume. That's what he said. In ideal gas equation, the volume is showed extra. Hence, he reduced certain quantity of the volume. That is called as a V minus NB. B is a volume correction factor. Hence, he introduced those pressure correction as well as the volume correction in ideal gas equation. Then the van der Waal equation of this state is a formula P plus A n square by V square into V minus NB is equal to nRT. This is a van der Waal equation. For 1 mole of the gas, P plus A by V square into V minus B is equal to RT. If n is equal to 1, this equation is called as a van der Waal equation of state. A and B are pressure correction and volume correction factors. Now the van der Waal equation of this state is a P plus An square by V square into V minus Nb is equal to nRT. Here for 1 mole of gas, for 1 mole N is equal to 1. N is equal to 1 is a P plus A by V square into V minus B is equal to RT. Here is a multiplication PV A by V square into V is A by V minus PB again AB by V square, that is sending the left hand side, minus RT is equal to 0. Next one, this whole equation is multiplied by the V square. PV into V square is a PV cube. Again VV gets cancelled plus AV minus PB V square minus AB V square gets cancelled minus RT V square is equal to 0. Now this the total expression is divided by the P. It is divided by P. In all the cases the P is in the denominator. Then this is the expression where we are ascending that arranging into descending power of the V. Descending power of the V is a V cube. V cube is over. Here is a V square is there. Here is also V square is there. The negative sign, that is minus of B plus RT by P into V square. V cube coefficient, V square coefficient and V followed by the constant. Let be the equation number 1. Now here I am introducing V is equal to Vc. Volume is considered as a critical volume Vc. Critical volume Vc, then the Vc is taking on the left hand side, V minus Vc is equal to 0. Cubing on the both the side, V minus Vc whole cube is equal to 0. Expansion, A minus B whole cube expansion. What is the formula? A cube minus 3AB square plus 3A square B minus B cube is a formula. That is, here is a minus B whole cube expansion is arranged. Now comparing the coefficients of equation number 1 and equation number 2. What is the coefficient of V cube? V cube is only 1. Next one, V square coefficient. Here is a V square coefficient. What is there? 3Vc. 3Vc is equal to B plus RTC. T also I am introducing critical temperature, critical phenomena. 3Vc is equal to B plus RTC by PC. Next one, coefficients of V. Coefficients of V is a 3Vc square. Here is a by PC. 3Vc square is equal to A by PC. And the constant is a Vc cube is equal to AB by PC. Now introduced critical temperature, critical pressure and critical volume. Making use of the calculation of critical parameters. 3Vc is equal to B plus RTC by PC, equation number 3. 3Vc square is equal to A by PC 4. Vc cube is equal to AB by PC, equation number 5. Now equation number 5 is divided by 4. that's a Vc cube by the 3Vc square. On solving, Vc is equal to 3B. Very important one. What it is implying? Yeah, the critical volume of the gas is the 3 times of the volume correction factor. If let it be the equation number 6, 6 is substituted in the fourth equation. 3 into Vc square is a 3B. On solving, Pc is equal to A by 27B square. Equation number 6. Vc and Pc values are substituted for the Tc equation number 3 is then we'll get the Tc is equal to 8A by 27 Rb. Critical temperature 8A by 27 Rb. Critical pressure A by 27 B square. Critical volume is 3 times than the volume correction factor. Now very frequently possible to ask a question on the van der Waal equation of the state is we know when the van der Waal equation P plus A n square by V square into V minus Nb is equal to nRT. For 1 mole of the gas, P plus A by V square into V minus B is equal to RT. The 4 cases very frequently used to ask this, and this case 3 and case 4 is a very important. In previous examination also they asked the question. Case 1, at very low pressure. Very low pressure is nothing but the volume is a very high. Very low, that's what to this a small quantity is added or a small quantity is subtracted, that is doesn't influences. Hence A by V square as well as a B can be neglected. Hence PV is equal to RT. That is at very low pressure a van der Waal equation is nothing but it is obeys ideal gas. Next one, at moderate pressure. Pressure will be the moderate is nothing but the NB or the B value can be neglected. P plus A by V square into V is equal to RT. PV plus A by V into RT. Then PV by RT is equal to A by B, send it to the opposite side, A by V, and the total is divided by RT. PV by RT is a very important one, that is a compressibility factor. Molar volume of a gas by molar volume of a ideal gas, that is a compressibility factor Z. RT by RT value is a 1 by 1 minus A by RTV. Very important one. Case 3, at a high pressure, pressure will be very high, hence the volume is a very low. Hence in such cases A by V square can be neglected, hence the compressibility factor Z is equal to A1 plus PB by RT. And the case 4, at a high temperature, pressure will be very high, that's what small quantity added and the small quantity is subtracted, doesn't problem, hence PV is equal to RT. Nothing but a ideal gas behaves like a van der Waal equation at where very low pressure and at a high temperature conditions only, this expression is equal to the ideal gas equation. Now one more important aspect from the van der Waal equation, that is the units for pressure correction factor and volume correction factor. We have a van der Waal equation P plus A n square by V square into V minus Nb is equal to nRT. Here P plus A n square by V square is equal to 0. A is equal to PV square by n square irrespective of the magnitude. Then pressure is nothing but force acting on unit area, Newton per meter square. Volume is a V cube, again square. Then on solving, A is equal to Newton meter to the power of mole to the power of minus 2 is the units for A. And the B is equal to V minus Nb is equal to 0. B is equal to V by N. V is nothing but the liter. If you want to take the meter cube also, here the B is equal to meter cube per mole is the important in all objective examination. Previously asked these questions, be concentrate. If you have any doubt, please try to post in our comment box.